Hi everyone, today I have one really interesting feature to share with you. It's called AI Post Maker. So we just added this on Content Tips. So this helps you write content for your social media post on the canvas through AI. So basically you add a topic and it automatically updates each of the text box and you have your content written within a second. So in order to make this work, you need to label each text box. So labels are basically you describing AI what this text box is about. So this is a short post title, I gave it a label, and then this is the post tip, or I can call it tip, and this is something about benefit. So I wrote it a small benefit, I can write it small benefit, and yeah. So let's try it out. And I want to write this post about email marketing. uh, Best tip to grow your email list in 2024. So then I select that one, I click on generate post. As you can see, it automatically detected these labels from our post. Here you go. So it wrote best tip to grow your email list in 2024, and here's the benefit which it wrote for us, and this is the tip. So you can try it out on different kind of posts. Let's say you are sharing multiple tips, so you can label them as tip 1, tip 2, tip 3. You can, let's say if you have a CTA, you can mention it as a CTA. So yeah, try it out, and if you got any feedback, do let me know in the comments below.